Hi everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how to decorate your room without spending money. It is literally the easiest thing you could ever think of. It is the easiest thing of how you can decorate your room without spending more money than you already did. So let's just get right on, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and also like this video if you want more tips and tricks which don't really have to do with beauty and fashion. So first of all, the easiest thing you can do is by using the stuff you've got. For instance, your makeup area is a decoration in itself. This is my makeup area and I decorate it by using my makeup. These are like my most beloved highlighting palette, contour palette and eyeshadow palette, and which also look good with the aesthetics of my room. So yes, then here I put all of my lipsticks and primers. There is a body spray which is like sort of a body lotion sort of spray. It is called Bloom Paradise from Bershka. Then I have this Hair Secret by Antonio Banderas perfume, and these are makeup organizers which I got mainly from Homemade in Malta. But if you're not from Malta, you could get them from Amazon or from eBay for less than 15 euros. This is just a candle. I took a metallic marker and just put dots all over it. As you can see, the only things I bought were the candle. I already had it, but let's say I bought it. This, which is literally just a letter organizer, I also got it from Homemade, but I used it to store my palettes in. And this. The most stuff I used here to decorate are just my makeup. That is literally how I decorate my makeup area. And mostly I use my own makeup. Obviously my own. I use my makeup to decorate. I will be doing an in-depth makeup collection, an updated one soon, so stay tuned for that. And I have this shelf which I had got from IKEA. As you can see, it is so basic. There are still all of them pieces of decoration. So in that one I have a lot of different small bags, makeup bags, which I can use if I'm traveling, if I'm going from like a house to another or something. And that is just a normal ordinary NYX professional makeup bag. Then I have this Nike bag where I keep a lot of stuff which I don't really know where to put. And in these two boxes I have more makeup organizers which I can shift if I'm not really into this setup anymore. And in this box I have more makeup bags if I'm not mistaken. And in this I just have a handbag which I don't want to store inside, so I just keep it in that. And like this, it looks so put together. An easy way of decorating your room is by taking a $1 which you can get from the dollar store frame and print the photo for it yourself. There are much more different frames which you can get from the dollar store which look a lot more expensive, but I really love the minimal look, so that's why I chose that. The most thing I love in my room is this. These are literally just pictures stuck onto the wall behind me. Everything looks so much better with that. Choose the pictures, print them and put them in a sort of collage. You could make it bigger. Very budget friendly and still looks very good. Next thing is you can just grab a cup, a glass cup, and I just put on this small diamante sticker which I got from the dollar store. My most favorite piece of decoration in my room is my shoe rack. Well, not a shoe rack actually. It's just literally an IKEA shelving thing. I just put this, which has my High Smile teeth whitening kit. Then I have this, which I don't know what it has inside. Then I have this candle. I have my shoes. If you want to know more about my shoes, go check out my heel collection, which I posted like 2 weeks ago. I link it down in the description box. Then I have more sneakers. As to the sneakers, I will be posting a sneaker collection soon, so stay tuned for that. And then I have more shoes, a bag which I had got from Romwe, more shoes and more shoes. So that is like a very good way of decorating, because shoes you buy them to wear them, and you could also use them to decorate because they look so good and as decoration. So as you guys have seen, I barely bought anything to decorate my room with, because I use my makeup, I use my shoes, I use bags, which I had gotten from purchasing other stuff. I use my own bag. So as you have seen, I really literally spent almost nothing. I just used the stuff I already owned and put them in a different way just to decorate. And yes guys, that's the whole video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video if you want more. I have new videos every week, so yes, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye!